Hey guys! Today's video is going to be a really fun one. I am going to share with you some of my best finds from TJ Maxx and Marshalls and Winners and all of those stores from 2019. A lot of it I still cannot believe I found for such a discounted price. And this is by no chance all of the stuff that I got from TJ Maxx. It's just the standouts from the year. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to try to do this by either categories or even brands because I have so much to share with you. So let's jump into it. I'm going to start with lips, and the first product I want to show you is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is 4 of their lip glosses in mini form, and they came in a little set. These are absolutely beautiful. I love how sparkly they are. The colors that come in the set are beautiful. You get like a neutrally one, an everyday one, this type of clear gloss with like a ton of sparkles, which is probably my favorite type of lip glosses in general, and then this really fun pink one. So you really get everything, so love these. Next is basically anything Bite Beauty. So Bite recently just went full vegan, full animal cruelty and all that kind of stuff, which is great. And what's even greater than that is that they repackaged everything, and basically all of their old packaging went on to go to TJ Maxx. So there are a lot of finds to find from Bite Beauty. These are some of my favorites. I really like their liquid lipsticks. This is one I got kind of recently, and then I also have 3 of these like minis for their lipsticks. 2 of them came in a set and then 1 of them separately or something like that. So basically anything by Beauty is like such a steal just because it's all brand new things, just old packaging. So that's the best kind of stuff I like to find in TJ Maxx, because it's not like it's really old collections or stuff like that. It's brand new stuff. It's just packaging that cannot be sold at Sephora anymore. So this is a very big win. More lip things that I found at TJ Maxx are some lip glosses, and these are all full size Nars and then some Becca. They all come separately, of course. I think the price for them goes between like $6.99 to like $8.99, which is a steal for companies like these that sell the lip glosses for around $20, if not more. I got these ones from the collaboration with Chrissy, and then these 2 beautiful ones from Nars. I really love this red one. It's like a glossy red lips and it's so beautiful. So basically whenever you go to TJ Maxx, try to always go to the section where they have everything like hung on the wall. That's where you can find all of their lip products and their great prices. Last lip product that I want to share with you guys is this set that I got from the last holiday collection from Too Faced. So this was around, I think, $16.99. And then I went to the cash and I was like, you know, it has a sign over there that says that all holiday makeup is discounted 50% off, and she checked and she was like, yeah, you're right, and she gave it to me for half off, which is crazy because they are like the holiday set. They smell like their name or their color. So like eggnog actually smells like eggnog, and then spice and so on. So these are really fun. I'm also wearing this one today on top of a liquid lipstick. So yeah, I'm really enjoying these. Next category I want to share with you is eyes, and the first thing that I think is great at TJ Maxx is their mascaras. Basically, mascaras from the department store or like from Sephora and places like that can go anywhere between like $18 to like $25, $6, $7, and they're all super discounted at TJ Maxx. You can find them for around $8.99, I think. I got this beautiful one from MAC, which I'm wearing today. It has like a double applicator. So basically you get the big one for the upper lash line. And then if you open the red tube, it has like this baby, which is the best for the lower lash line. I absolutely love this. I've been using it ever since I got it. And then I got a few more. I got this one from Kevyn. And then this one is from Ardell. It's not as highly discounted, but it was still around like $6.99 or something like that. So a really great price. And then this one from the Balm, which is waterproof, so that's really nice. So basically any mascaras that you see over there, make sure they're not open obviously, but I think they're a great find. And then something else that I'm a huge fan of are these Stila Glitter and Glows and Shimmer and Glows. Every time I see a new one when I'm there and it's a color that speaks to me, I pick it up immediately. They used to be $8.99 discounted, and now I think they go for like $6.99, which is an amazing price. These are like the best liquid eyeshadows ever, in my opinion. These Shimmer and Glows are actual eyeshadows, so like they go on smoothly, but then the Glitter and Glows are just beautiful to top off any look. I put it sometimes on a bare eyelid, but mostly I would add it to any look and just like brighten up the inner corner a bit. And they are so beautiful, a great price, and I definitely recommend them. Something else from Stila that I really think is worth a look are these duos that they have. I have two of them. I have a purple one and a blue one, and they basically come with one eyeshadow that's like shimmer, and then one that's like full on glitter, which is beautiful. And this is what the purple one looks like. Next, we'll divert a bit from the eye products, and I want to show you this little cutie. This is the Bye Bye Under Eye from IT Cosmetics. It's an under eye concealer, and I'm obsessed with it ever since I got it. I got mine in light. It is the best, and it's basically the same product that they sell right now at Sephora, just the old packaging. So again, this is, I think, one of the best kind of finds. You can get stuff that's like great quality, but then at the same time, just because it's in a different tube, it's cheaper. So I love those. Next, I want to move on to face, and I have a bunch of blushes to share with you guys. I have two from Becca, one from Honest Beauty, one of their like cream blushes, and then this duo from Too Faced. Basically, you can find a ton of Becca products, anywhere from highlighters to concealers to blushes at TJ Maxx, which I think is great because they're really expensive at Sephora and they're really great quality, so I do really recommend them. These are the two colors that I've got. This is Flower Child and this is Nightingale, so really beautiful colors. And then I have this duo from Too Faced, which is part of their Tutti Frutti line. So it has a blush and a little bit of like a topper slash highlighter. Anything from this line you can find at TJ Maxx. And then something I found out like kind of recently is that TJ Maxx actually has a website, and you can order stuff online from what they have over there. They don't have everything, that's for sure, but they have a few steals that are definitely worth checking out. One of the things I found was this Honest Beauty cream blush. This was recommended a lot by Tati, which I love watching. So I definitely wanted to pick this up. And if you're already on the website, I saw that they have beauty blenders for like $15 or something along those lines, which is amazing. I just got a few from Sephora for so much more, and I really regretted that as soon as I saw it there. But if you're looking for a beauty blender and you wanted one for a while, but the price was too much, go check out their website. For bronzer, I have one to share with you from Too Faced. This is their famous Chocolate Soleil bronzer. I don't know what to say except for the fact that this has been like everything on YouTube for so long. I don't think people talk about it as much anymore. And it really does smell like chocolate, so that's really nice. Now let's move on to palettes. These two palettes I think are such a steal. So this one has a bronzer, a blush, and then two highlights. And then the other one, which is the smaller one, has two blushes, two highlights, and one bronzer. So these are great. They're like $20 each instead of around $40 to $50. And the quality is obviously amazing. Becca is known for their highlights, and I'm pretty sure this one has a bunch of their bestsellers. Yeah, this one has Champagne Pop in it, which is awesome. Another face palette that I got is this one from MAC. It was from their previous, like last year's holiday collection. I got mine in the dark version, but it's actually not that dark. And this was around like $17, which again is such a steal, especially for MAC. So yeah, basically these are the best. I think in general palettes at TJ Maxx are like the best of the best. It's so much fun to find really new ones or really exciting ones that you've been wanting for a while. So let's move on to some eyeshadow palettes. This is the last category I wanted to share with you guys because it has the most exciting things, I think. So the most amazing find I got at TJ Maxx recently are these beautiful palettes from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I've never tried them before because they are really pricey, and I never really found any one palette that I liked that much to spend like $50 on. But when I saw these for like $15 to $20, I had to get them. This is the Alyssa Edwards collaboration. If you guys don't know, she's a drag queen, and the colors here are like the best. Like, they're so beautiful. They're mostly matte. You do get 3 metallics, and these are so pigmented, so beautiful. You can get a bunch of really fun colorful looks with these, and I love having something like this as like a staple. This black is amazing. And then the Riviera palette is absolutely beautiful. It is again very much colorful, but it has a ton of metallics, a ton of mattes, and I really love this color story. If you guys want me to do like a 3 looks in 1 palette type video on this, let me know, because I feel like you can get so many looks out of this. I'm really excited to play around with it a little more this year. And then something else you find a lot of is Too Faced palettes. This one is the Natural Lust. It was $30, which is kind of pricey, but you do get a ton of colors in this one. I've yet to try it on my eyes, but I'm excited to. And then the best of the best of the best, I think, the best find that I found this year has got to be this palette from Too Faced. This is the Gingerbread Extra Spicy. This basically came out like 3 months ago, and I got this like a month ago. So literally 2 months and it got to TJ Maxx. They sold it for $30, but it was the same day that I asked about the discount for the holiday makeup, and I got this for $15. That is an insane steal. They still sell this for like $50 on Sephora. I'm shocked. It's so beautiful. It has really nice warm toned colors, and then this blue, which is really nice. Again, I have yet to try this on my eyes, but I'm so excited for it, and it does smell amazing. So that was pretty much it for this video. I really hope you guys liked it. Comment below what you think was the best find, or what you found that I haven't that you think is like the best of the best, and I really have to go check it out at TJ Maxx. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye!